Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix uTorrent not downloading on Android. If your download is stuck, not starting, or making no progress, try these simple troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can test another website or app to confirm that your connection is active. Next, open uTorrent and check whether Wi-Fi only mode is enabled. If you're using mobile data, this setting can prevent downloads from starting. Go to the uTorrent menu, open Settings, and check the Wi-Fi only option. Another important thing to check is the availability of the torrent. If there aren't enough seeders sharing the file, the download may not start or may remain stuck. Also, make sure your phone has enough free storage space for the download. If your storage is full, the download may not be able to continue. If the problem still continues, close uTorrent completely and open it again. You can also restart your phone and then try again. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of uTorrent available for your device. That's it. These are some simple things you can check when uTorrent is not downloading on Android. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.